Today on Max's Tech Lab, we'll be moving my fire alarm system to this big piece of wood. Hope you enjoy. So here's my fire alarm system currently on my bed, so I'm gonna have to take all of it down. So the strobe, the emergency light, the other strobe, the push stations, and of course the main panel. Okay, so here it is all done, and here's everything taken off. So here I'm going to show you what I got. So I got a big piece of wood to mount it on, these special mounting cable ties. So basically you put your cable through and you tie it up like a normal cable tie, and you can put a screw through there. So pretty fancy. So say you had your panel here and a pull station there, you could cable manage between them. And then I got two different types of screws to mount things at a different depths, and some other screws that I found for the strobe, the special strobe, and I just got some electrical tape. So I think start by laying everything out on the wood. So here I'm just gonna lay everything out, and then here we have the panel, the strobe, the emergency light, the pull station, the other strobe, and the other pull station. And here's the solar panel for the emergency light. Okay, so here I am. I'm gonna start mounting the main panel. So just with two screws here, so that is not going anywhere. I have a video on making this if you want to go watch it. So next thing I'm gonna mount is probably the pull stations. So here I'm just pre-drilling through the plastic because these are wood screws. Now I'm doing the same for the other one. And here I'm mounting a plate for the strobe light, because on the back it has two bolts, so I have to drill out the holes for that so that it will stay. And it took quite a bit of drilling, but then in the end I finally got it to fit. It's a little bit wobbly because it's not fully in there, but oh well. So next I'm going to mount the emergency light. Okay, so there's the emergency light mounted, and now I'm mounting the special strobe. Okay, so with that done, I've just mounted the solar panel. So with these cable ties, you put around your cables or cable or whatever you're putting on, and then you are going to screw it on. Put your screw in and you screw it down. Pretty simple. Okay, so here's me. I'm going to start cable managing all the cables so they come down from the side of the panel. And then the alarm output, I guess you could call it, goes into a terminal block, which splits to the strobe light and the emergency light, which has the connector for the special strobe as well inside it. And then that connector block that you see at the bottom is for the pull stations. So here I'm going to mount the solar panel cable, and I'm going to join it in with the special strobe cable and then the alarm signal cable, and I had to drill out the hole because it wasn't big enough to fit the solar panel cable through. And once I had it through, I cable tied it all down and cable tied the excess together and then screwed it down. Okay, so here it is all done. Here are some pictures of it. So we went from this to this to now this. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.